Don't know if you can see the houses, but there's houses back here underwater. The debris all over the roadway where it's been over. You can hear the water running under me. It's just water everywhere.
And the dreamer's just a vessel.
This here is a farmer's field, or was at one point. It sure isn't now. And it's usually fields as far as you can see. I'm going to be walking over to where the park usually is, but it's rather underwater. You can see these trees and stuff that's been swept over the road and on the bridge.
Like a bird upon the wind. These waters are my sky.
There's the old bridge right there. There's the road that used to go to our park, which is underwater. I don't think anybody's going to be in it, using it for a while. At least it's not raining right now.
Too many
trees over there. That's where the river mark usually is. It's a little out.
To what we put off till tomorrow has now become today. So don't you sit upon the shoreline and say you're satisfied.
This is some more of what used to be the river park.
And
as you can see, it's a water park now.
Yes, I will sail
with the river just happily trekking through.
Like a bird
over here, you can see
there's debris on
the road and how close the river still is. Although it's gone down quite a bit.
So I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry.
I just wanted to hear the water,
and I know
see it running, trees here.
With the good Lord as my
That one is a huge tree. Hopefully it will not topple it. Over here, you can see there's a gazebo and a house sitting back in there. So far are okay. Hopefully they will stay that way.
I'll never reach my destination if I never try. So I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry. Yes, I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry.